Hi, my name's Chef Allan Clark. I'm the food service director for Sage Dining here at Mount Paran Christian School. And today I'm making a Tortilla Española for you. To make this dish, you're going to need a cup of sliced waxy potatoes. Yukon Golds are probably the best. You're going to need a cup of olive oil, quarter of a cup of sliced onions, and you're going to need about maybe an eighth of a cup of sliced red peppers. Really salt and pepper, and that's everything you need for this dish. You want to poach the potatoes. You don't want to brown them too much. Cook your onions and peppers until they're a little bit brown. Put them in the pan with the potatoes, and you're going to crack 4 eggs into that. Mix everything together. You want to let it start to brown, and then turn your temperature down and let the mix cook close to all the way through as you can. Flip it over on a plate, slide it back into the pan, and finish it. And you get this wonderful dish that is very rich, very filling. It's something I think everybody would enjoy.